What we're going to accomplish in this video is to illustrate how to place plots on a grid, and then also allow the students, if this is an advanced class, and or the teacher, to put a tab pool to make sure the students have the correct answer. What we're going to do first of all is click up here at the top where it says text. I'm going to choose this text and I'm going to create a couple of plots. You notice I placed 3 plots here. I'm going to take my mouse, highlight the plots, grab one of these, and just simply click on the down arrow, and I'm going to lock all 3 of these in place. The next thing I would like to do is create a tab pool. To do that, up at the top, I'm going to click on the shapes. The shape I would like to have is a rectangle. You can use any shape you want. And I'm going to place it right about here. Then, I'm going to click on the arrow, click on the shape again, click on the down arrow, click on properties, and what I would like to do is make this a unique color. The color I'm going to make it is blue. And I want to place the word pool in there. To do that, I'm simply going to click on the text box again, and I'm going to write the word pool right here. Highlight it, and I want to make it a color that we can read, so I'm going to make it yellow. Click on the arrow key, take the word pool, turn it, and place it on top of the rectangle. Then when I put these two together, or group them, to do that, simply take your mouse, place it right about here, highlight, click on the down arrow, click on grouping, group. And there you go. Then I'm going to take my tab and move it right about here. Now, I need to place my plots. To do that, I just simply click up at the top. I'm going to use a red to illustrate my plots, and let me place several plots on the grid for you. You'll notice that I placed several plots that correlate with the designated numbers below. Now, I would like to group the pool tab to these plots. To simply do that, place your mouse up right about up here, hold down your left button, highlight, and then just simply click on the down arrow and click on grouping, and we'll group it. This way, when I move this tab, you'll see everything is in the correct place. I'm going to put these back in the right spot, and you'll see it's all lined up correctly. Now, I want to make sure the student puts this in the correct spot, so we're going to put a line right about there. I placed a line there. I'm going to click on my down arrow, click on properties again, line style. I'm going to make this a little bit thicker, and let's make it red. And that way the student knows that's how far he has to pull the tab. Click on my down arrow again, and I'm going to lock this in place. So now what the student has the ability to do is simply take this tab, pull it off the screen. To prove that they're in the right spot, just simply pull the tab over, and once you line it up, you'll notice that 2-5, 5-5, and 8-6. So that allows you to, depending upon what level you are, either you create the pool tabs, or if you're doing advanced learning, it's a lot easier if the students learn themselves, create the answers, create the questions, and then also create the answer.